Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices gained 1% as US President Donald Trump said he will impose a 25% tariff on countries that buy oil and gas from Venezuela, and on the back of new US sanctions on Iranian exports. Price gains were, however, capped by news that OPEC Plus will likely proceed with a planned May oil output hike. Wall Street's three main indexes touched two-week highs, boosted by technology stocks on signs that the Trump administration is taking a measured approach on tariffs against its trading partners. Investors scooped up battered technology shares as Nvidia and AMD rose. US President Donald Trump said he will in the very near future announce tariffs on automobiles, aluminium and pharmaceuticals. Speaking to reporters at the White House, Trump said the United States would need all those products if there were problems, including wars.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Gold prices saw moderate losses in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.